Here we are today at McIntyre Ski Area, where we're turning things around, bringing the teachers here, bringing the ski industry professionals so that we could collaborate and talk about how we could get ski industry curriculum into schools.
The importance of bringing education and industry together to have conversations about how we can work together is absolutely invaluable.
Many of the things that you may be interested in, you can do it at a ski area.
This is a great way to introduce opportunities to kids and ideas and thoughts about other industries they've never thought or considered. They don't realize how their strengths and skills may fit that perfectly.
Currently, we have 3 Spark students working with the Pipeline Project, and it has opened our eyes to many different career paths, things that we normally wouldn't think of when you think of ski resort jobs. So we're very happy that we have new career paths for our students to explore.
Hopefully the Pipeline Project brings a couple of students in that can work here alongside us next year.